We are here to show you this self-cleaning 10 watt solar panel. As you can see, this is a 10 watt panel. It has a blade here which is on two strings, and these are limit switches which control, and there are pulleys here which regulate the movement of this self-cleaning mechanism. There are 1, 2, 3 and 4, and this is tied to a string on with springs. And here is a circuit. This is the motor that regulates, and there are two circuits here. We are giving a 220 volt AC supply to this pump, and this is how it moves. It comes down slowly, it goes back, and here we have another limit switch on top which will reverse the and then you can manually switch off the power supply.